delicious. Ano ba to? Habana Kamayan Food. Kamayan Food Park. 7-Eleven? What are you gonna buy in 7-Eleven? Huh? So, Kamayan Food Park. Sa Rosario. Going to Baguio.
Boys, look around and then you are I scared the living so out of you. Subscribe to our channel. Let me be a part of the Katribo family now. Let me eat. Peace.
In peace. Gusto ba? Hindi, pie po yung pie. Ano na yun? Hello na sa mga fans mo dyan.
Hello.
Mga fans, mga
Hello. Now I'm here. What is this? Bumili tayo ng pagdating.
Rosario.
7-Eleven.
7-Eleven, Rosario. La Union na to, La Union.
Why is this place called 7-Eleven?
La Union.
Because it's open 7 days.
I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight the fear when I feel like dying. I'm trying to fly high, but I'm not a pilot, can't deny it. There's some days I feel idiotic, just a product of a system where you're lucky just to make a dollar. That ain't gonna stop me cause my grind's contagious. I'll do what it takes to turn passion to paychecks. And if I go down, I'ma do it on my terms. And every single problem brings a lesson that I learned. The darkest nights, when things seem so broken, it's hard to shine, but I still try. I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now.
Heal me. Heal me. Your
Kay
name
Brownie.
is Anastasia, but you have a Filipino grandmother. Anastasia, Anastasia, Anastasia.
What happened to the boy? Huh? What happened to the who?
She's out of his mind.
You need anesthesia for that eye to be fixed.
It's lost its mind somewhere. It might have fell down there.
In the world of imagination.
I think it's a teacher's camp, Baguio City. Maraming trees in Baguio.
Say Anastasia.
Yan, dami nakapark.
Say Anastasia.
Ito, may baby on board. Baby Armalite on board. Don't mess with them.
Ay, resulta.
Sabi ko nga, ante.
Anastasia!
Super graduate. Ay, Ultra Magnus.
The tribo in Baguio. This is our tribo. Botanical Garden. Yan, Botanical Garden in Baguio. Ayun, mga tao. The Katribo, original Katribo here in Baguio. Yan. Yan mga tao. Ayun. Ayun. Ay mga tribo house. Katribo house. I don't know if you're gonna pay for it. Baguio Filipino-Chinese Friendship Garden. Next time, gonna fight with them. With the Chinese invaders.
Ay, naitindali sa panga. Mas maano, mas malapit. Garden mo malakas.
Malakas.
I want to go up there. Let's go up there.
Siya malakas. Kumain. Very funny. Pagkasikat ka nakarinig malakas. Akala ay siya na eh. Hindi naman para sa kanya yun eh. Ito si Malakas. Yun. Yun, si Katribo. Kill talaga. Sa Filipino-Chinese garden. Friendship. Shut up. Want to go to Pagoda? Pagoda?
Ito lang, sir. Tayo.
Kuwan po yan, pagoda. Ibig sabihin, pagod na. Pagod na.
Pagod na.
Pagod na. Pagdating nyo dyan, pagod na kayo.
Ay, dito na lang.
Filipino-Chinese Friendship Garden. Oh, hurry up. Katribo,
Katribo!
where are you?
Katribo!
Ayan, ano yung bulaklak. Bye, Katribo. Ayan o. Tingin. Tingin na. Hindi. Video lang, video lang. Ganda. Kaya pumunta muna ako doon sa akin tutulugan din eh. Isingin nyo na lang ako ah. Ayan. Bulaklak. Loob ng Botanical Garden. Sabat tayo. Merong maglilinis. Mga kasama ko. Iniwan ako.
Gumawa ka din ng ganong horse ka ba?
Can we go get one?
Gumawa ka din ng horse ka.
Hurry, get some horse. Come on. Get a big one. Get a big one. Tumawad ka. Magkano? Hmm? Di ba 200 lang? Ha? May? Ayan, 300. Wala ko, 200. Kasi nung isang beses punta namin, 200 lang.
2 years na yun narin.
Oo, 2 years, tama.
Nagtaas ka na yung mga pizza pagkain na. Dati 1,100 ngayon, 2,000.
Alin ba yung kuhan, yung matabang kabayo para dito? Dito. The big horse. Deb, bigyan mo ng kabayo ito. Ayan.
Pero yung sasakay, para registered na lang po doon.
Pa-register daw. Oh.
Yung mga sasakay po ma'am, para registered na lang sa gitna.
Kel, gusto mo kung sumakay? Come on, sakay kay Kel. Come on. Ano?
May kasamang guide niya yung...
Yeah, tugis na kayo ni Harry.
Alright!
Yung big horse, Harry. Get the big horse. Yan, sa Ride Park, Baguio City. Yung mga kabayo dito. Red horse.
Malakad yung isang kabayan sila ko yun.
Ano minahon?
Kalahati lang. Ulan na eh.
Yan. Kabayo, kabayo. Registered. Yeah. Oh, teach them how to teach them how to ride their horse. Kel. Ay, nervous. Make it run.
Break. Nagawting ang talang. Okay, katigo lang ganon.
Wait, I'm not sitting on someone.
Patay kabayo. Hari. Ay, ganun, nervous eh. Yan, yan ke. Ito malaki to, malaki yung horse niya. Kel. Silog.
We're going to a park today.
Going to Burham Park. Ito ang ating hotel. Oak Hill. Yan. Condo. Condo. Need to walk to the street to find some taxi. I don't want to bring the pickup. In the city, it's so crowded. It's so many people. So we're gonna use the taxi. You know, we just left the car in here. Ayan, Bristol Ridge. Ating tuloy sa Baguio. Yan. Dito tayo sa 6th floor. Dito sila. Hindi mag-focus. Taxi! Town! Kabuso! You're here in SM Baguio. Yan, yung Kuya Jay. Enjoy your chicken. Are? Yan si nanay, nakatuna. She wet? Huh? Huh?
Yes, very wet.
Oh, look. Harry, don't wet your shoes. Oy, shh. Stop that. Shh. Oy. Harry, no. Silly. You just wash your hand.
Gravy.
Ayan, ang hotel. 456 Hotel. Ayon Hotel. Over there is the cathedral. Yung Cathedral. Baguio Cathedral. Ito ang Ridge. Crystal Ridge Hotel. Yan. At night time. Takbo na naman. Nasaan yung kwan? Elevator. Ito, may puno. Ay, ano ba yan? Corn dog? Dito tayo magulay-gulay mamaya. Okay. Pagod ka ba? Are you tired? Yan. Alba, baka may matamis dyan. Tikman mo ba? Ano, tigisa tayo ng salakot. Ano, salakot, tigisa tayo. Ito, Burnham Park, Baguio City. Ayan, meron sila Yonggi, may bike. Ano naman? Ayan, Primavera. Pare, kamulang kita pare. Oh, nasa Baguio kami kahapon eh. Uwi kami kagabi. Sabi ko, wala yung sasakyan mo dito eh. Tinitingnan ko kanina.